Hello guys, I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy. I am studying third year BTech in Karun University. Today I am explaining experiment 5 data visualization through Python. First question. Draw a bar chart with and it continues using different colors for each team. Is the code. First you have to import the pandas and import Seasborn as SNS. Import the mat and okay. Is the code. We are importing Titanic CSV file and we are giving title, X label, Y label, and output is. When you run the code, it is show like different types of bar chart with different colors. Second question. Draw a comparative bar chart for a fair and new fair agent each person. First 15%. Here is second question. Same. You have to import the pandas, import numpy, and we have to import CSV file. That asset and for first 15% we have to find. So we give as head 15% and title and we can layout out etc. is the output. Third question. Draw a horizontal bar chart for and for a fair. You have to draw a horizontal. Is the code. Import pandas, import in same you have to import and we have import the same CSV file and here is flat figure figure size equal to 10 comma 6 and X label is average fare and Y label is amount point and the average fare is amount horizontal bar graph. Here is the output when you run the code. Fourth question. Draw statistic bar chart for fair and new fair agent. The first 10%. Here we seeing second question. They ask 15%. Here they ask 10%. Okay. Here is the code. Same code, second and fourth, but we need only 10%. So we give size as 10 and 6. First we give head as 10. It will show up to 10%. Draw a pie chart. Fifth question. Draw a pie chart with passengers class and its count. We have to draw a pie chart with the passenger class and its count. Here is the code. Import pandas, Matthew, and same. We importing CSV file. Class, second class. In train, we have different class that is sleeper, first class, second class, third class. So, and we give size as 8, comma 8. This is the details and equal. This is the output of the question. Sixth question. Draw a dot plotted between person and age. You have to draw a plot between age and person. Import pandas and we importing CSV file as Titanic. First 15% they need dot. So we giving is the output. Then draw a line plot between age and observe the trend lines. Import pandas and import matplots as PLT. We import in CSV file as Titanic and the size is 12,6. Okay. X label. X axis we have age and Y axis we have convenience style. It is the output. Eighth, draw a starter plot between fair and new fair. Observe the correlation. Import pandas, import C's. Here we have to import the Seaborn as SNS and Titanic as CSV file. Here X label taken as original fare and Y label taken as new fare. Here is the output of seventh question, eighth question. Ninth question. Draw a starter plot between age and fare. You have to draw a starter plot between age and fare. Same. Here X label taken as this age and Y label taken as fare. Okay. 10th question. Draw a box plot to show the statistic summary of age column. Same. We are importing pandas and Magic and Titanic file as CSV. Box plot is age drop. Okay. Box plot of age distributed Titanic and age. Here is output. This is the blood plot of age distribution of on Titanic CSV file. 11th question. Draw a histographic plot for column. Here is histogrammy. This is the histogrammic diagram. Same you are importing pandas and Titanics. From Titanic CSV file only we are using. Here X label is convenience value and Y label is frequency. Okay. This is the last question. Draw histographic plot for convenience column with bin value and PDF. Here we are importing pandas and scene bar and numpy. Okay. This is the file we used. Size is 10,6 and X label it is convenience value and Y label we have density. Okay. Plot legend and show. This is the output. Thank you.